Go.
Good day, everyone. My name is Clarence Unay.
My name is Jason Akamoto.
My name is Marangelo Rivera.
Game.
Pakita mo ito. Mysticism is often viewed as belonging to the class of indefinable that it's too subtle for human mind to categorize into clean-cut, man-made definitions.
Game.
Wait lang.
Ang gabi ito.
The mysticism is the belief that direct knowledge of God, spiritual truth. It simply means that it is the union with the absolute, the infinite, or God. When we say union, it's the connection or relationship with God.
Mystic experience. Indescribable and inexpressible in words. Constant feeling of God to be united with the divine. Mystic experience is an experience of union or nothingness, mistake any kind, alternate state, consciousness which are attribute in our religious. We see mysticism as every finite human being is yearning for the infinite. Imperfect man seeking perfection and all perfect being. His human mind thinking that thoughts divine in his contemplation of the eternal truths. His heart craving for perfect enduring happiness. His transitory life pointing to end distinct for the life beyond.
Go.
Christian ethics. Number 1. Man seeks his own perfection which he can find only in all perfect being, the boundless God. Ay good.
The Christian ethics is a virtue ethic that places emphasis on the development of moral character. This process starts with obediently following a set of rules and laws that are used.
Number 2, the absolutely ultimate end of all human activities is found in this order. Beatitude, the possession of and union with summum bonum.
The summum bonum, elective praise with the meaning of the highest good, is summum bonum. Cicero, a Roman philosopher, introduced it, and it is the comparable to the concept of good in classical Greek philosophy.
Number 3, the ultimate norm of the morality of human as is the divine nature, the divine pattern or model for human action.
Go.
Number 4, the two are inseparable as means and end. It is absolutely necessary that we lead a good and upright life as demanded in ethics, in order that we can be united with the all-holy one.
Go.
Right living or ethics is only path to union with God.
Go.
The right living or ethics is the only path to union with God. Moral law is a system of guidelines for living, a system of set of ideas about good versus bad action result from morality.
Morality and mysticism. Morality requires the constant observance of the moral law. Observance of the moral law requires that the will of the subject be in constant conformity with that of the lawgiver. According to Plato, morality consists in the constant imitation of the divine exemplar. According to the moral philosophy, the absolutely ultimate end of all humans' violational activities is beatitude in God.